Welcome to the only game I know where you could design your own vehicles and destroy enemies that look terrible. I will be trying to use all my items in each creation. So this is going to be kind of hard. This is what I would say if I was scared. Who would be scared of this thing? Real life. Yet, people still want people to buy you. People like me don't even get the game. Good choice. This? Maybe we can make much of this. Yeah, I couldn't get everything in. Unless... Oh, here it is. The bad one of rock days. Even if when I go upside down, I still defeat my enemy. Please don't say this thing touches the ground. I just ran Stickman. One Stickman is smaller, but then he spawns another Stickman, and then that's how he wins. That's basically what this game is. And I have been doing a huge amount of ODA. So let's do this. It's fully upgraded, you guys. YouTube, hopefully.